Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sohail Rana again. Today we are repairing INS. Here you can see this is the INS. There is a paralloy LED. This is the very difficult to find where is a what LED defected. So we make simulator here by power supply. Here you can see make ignition switch here. So we make a portable power supply and then I apply one side is 26 or 24, no problem. Here you can see the 24. So one side 3.3 volt. So this is the I already changed 1 2 3 and here is 4 5. Many LED have defected here. So here one of fun here you can see I apply some voltage from outside. I make twister here. Okay, so I apply some voltage around 3 volt to the each LED. So this good. I apply from outside. Good. This good. And this LED when I apply current, the other two coming, see there is a brightness coming because this LED connected to the here by paralloy. If this good is working here is by paralloy, you have to check one by one for see I apply this LED not working but other brightness is good coming. So I already allegate in marking which LED have defected. I replace it and then is successfully working because the LED is defected and I remove. Here you can see I remove the LED here. This is the LED. Okay, this is the LED I remove already and then it's working fine. So very quiet movement to I put many kind of LED here, so it will not working because the LED if take it more current, so if they take it more current all the section is shut down. Or also see there is blinking, this LED is blinking. The problem is here when I apply current here there is other LED defected here. We must check one by one and found that where is a defected LED, we must replace it. This is the actros, Mercedes-Benz actros instrument cluster. So I have 3-4 piece here. So one by one, some have power problem, some have a gauge problem. So we all fix it. Thank you for watching.